Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Sergey, and this video is about how to balance your rifle. It's not very easy, but not very hard also. All you need to do is follow these simple steps. First of all, you need some weights. I have those. You can use the weights from auto tires for balancing wheels, and basically all kinds of stuff. First step is put as much weight on your rifle as you can, as you can hold. So I'm gonna start now. Okay, now our rifle has a very substantial weight. Probably it is about 7.5 kilograms. I know because I weighed it already. What you need to do now is you need to go to practice range, and you need to shoot sitting position. Your rifle is very heavy, and you will have very steady hold, and what you need to do while your rifle is very heavy, you need to find your perfect balance point on sitting position, and you need to mark it on your rifle. So I have you probably don't see it, but I do have my mark around this point. How to find your center of gravity? If your rifle is too heavy on the front, your shots will go low. If your rifle is too heavy on the back, your shots will go high. That's a basic rule for all positions, but I'll talk about it a bit later. Now, you have found your center of gravity for sitting position, but unfortunately your rifle is too heavy. Maybe. If it's not, then it's fine. Just wait till I get to other positions. Okay, now how to handle a weight. I found, because I have spent with this Steyr already a couple of months, so basically you don't need very heavy rifle. While retaining your center of gravity, you start to take the weights out until you will exactly you take the weight, then you shoot at the target. You shot a group of 5 shots. I think 5 shots is quite enough. And you see, is your group tight enough? When your rifle is too light, your group will start become bigger. So then you stop to getting weights out of your rifle and maybe put some of them back. Here you find your center of gravity and you find the good weight for a rifle for sitting position. That's important. Because now you have to do exactly the same except the first step. You don't have to put all your weights back. You have to do that for kneeling position and for standing position also. The standing position is quite important because if you do like front heavy rifles like I do, probably the balance for standing position will be too forward. So you must find a compromise. Remember, if the forward of the rifle is too heavy, shots will go low. So you find a compromise between perfect balance for standing position, for kneeling position and for sitting position. So now I will just return everything on my rifle as it was, and I will show you amount of weight that this rifle loses in this process. That is it. That's the final weight tune for this particular stair, because I found that for different rifles like each rifle like different weight. The Feinwerk bow like to be heavy. The Steyr don't like to be very heavy rifle. That's what I found while working with it. So I need two small weights in front and two small weights on the back. I keep those one that locate lower, so they compensate a bit the weight of rifle scope. Okay, now how much weight did I lose? This guy weighs 185 grams, and this guy's weighs 126 grams, 25 grams each, and this is 60 grams. So you may do math for me if you like to, but total weight that this rifle lost from the maximum comfort amount of weight for sitting position is 650 grams or so. When you tuning the weights just a bit, that is also quite important, because just 50 grams of weight can ruin your groups in standing position. So be extremely careful on standing position. Well, finally, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.